Hey, welcome back to How to Barbecue Right. I'm Malcolm Reed. Y'all, I got a big old tray of wings here, and they happen to be one of my favorite things to eat. Today, I'm gonna do a little version of an Alabama white barbecue sauce smoked wing. Now we're gonna get these wings seasoned and out in the smoke, and at the very end, I'm tossing them in my version of an Alabama white sauce. I know they're gonna be delicious. Let's get to cooking. So y'all, I've got a family pack of whole wings I picked up at the grocery store. Put them out on the rack and just let them air dry. Stick them in the refrigerator for about an hour. You can even let them go overnight if you want, but it helps that skin get extra crispy just letting it sit there and dry a little bit. Now we're gonna season them up. And the first thing I'm gonna put on them is some of the spicy ranch powder. If you got a favorite ranch, hey, run it, y'all. But ranch goes with wings, and since we're doing this white sauce on them at the end, I think it's gonna be really, really good. And then the only other season I'm using is a little bit of my AP, that's salt, pepper, garlic. You just need a general all-purpose seasoning. Now what we're gonna do is flip these dudes over and get that backside. You gotta have both sides seasoned. Now I'm just gonna let them hang out right here on the rack, going outside, firing up my Primo grill. I'm starting out with a base of Royal Oak lump charcoal. I'm gonna stick a couple tumbleweeds right down in the middle of it. Fire those dudes up and let those coals get good and hot. Leave the grill open at this point, and when the coals kind of get burning and going really good, we'll shut that grill down, let it stabilize. I'm looking for somewhere around 350, 400 degrees. We'll be ready to cook. We're ready to put these wings on. We're just gonna put them right on the rack. Got my hot side over here ginning. We're gonna cook on the cool side, so we slow them down a little bit. Now the only thing we gotta do is close this lid. I'm gonna check on them in about 30 minutes, flip them over, see where they at. So this is the 30-minute mark, y'all. Man, we looking good. We're getting some browning going, but at this point, they're not done. But I just wanna flip them. Then right at the very end, y'all know what I'm gonna do. I'm putting them over the fire. And we're gonna close the lid. Give about 15 minutes this time. We'll come back and look at them. I don't want them to get carried away. So we'll let these wings roll about another 15 minutes. Now they're looking really good to me. Since we got the hot side, I want to get a little char action on them. So what I'm going to do is just move a few over at a time. Let them get some time right over these hot coals. This part is where they get that grill flavor. The reason why I started these wings off over on the cool side is because it takes a while to get them up to temp to render that fat. I like to take a wing up to like 185 to 195 internal. That's way over where they're done. They're actually done at 165, but that fat underneath that skin is not rendered. If you take them up a little higher, it's gonna taste a lot better. That bite's gonna be a lot better. I'm just gonna do a few at a time. We'll move them over, move another batch, just kind of shucking and jiving a little bit, making sure we don't burn them up. About 2 minutes, flip them, about 2 minutes, they ought to be there. That's what you wanna see right there, folks. Seared up, perfectly cooked wing. Now we need some of that white sauce. Now, this is the easiest way to toss a wing that I know. All I did, get you a plastic bowl with a lid. Put 3 or 4 wings in here, maybe, let's see, no, we can do 5. That's plenty. You don't want to overcrowd it, and then I just take my sauce right out the bottle, shake it up good, and we're just going to drizzle it right over. Now, if you want to make a mess, just toss them in the bowl, but I found that if you put this lid on it, it washes up real easy, and then all you do, flip it over. You ain't got to be aggressive with it. It's nice little tosses. And look at that wing, y'all. Coming right out. That is that Alabama style white sauce, Mississippi version. You don't cook this sauce on, you toss it in it at the end. Now, this is what I've been waiting on, y'all. It's time to eat. Let's see how we did on these wings. I'm just gonna get one. Take that dude right apart. When you take these bones, you just work it out, just like that. That's how you're supposed to eat a chicken wing. See what that drum's working with. Savory, tangy, creamy. That's what a white sauce is supposed to be. The ranch gives it enough of just seasoning where you get a lot of savoriness and a little bit of spice, because that was a spicy ranch. That's a fine chicken wing. If y'all like what we're doing here at How to Barbecue Right, subscribe to that channel. You find us on all the social platforms. Shell and I do a weekly podcast where we talk about these recipes, all that good stuff. I know we're gonna talk about these wings. We'll see y'all next time. Clean bones every time. Ton of grill flavor. That's a hot wing. That's good chicken.